Hello. Don't clap. Don't clap. Don't clap. I want to make a robotic arm. Cue the intro. Bash. I made an intro. Cool. So, let's stop the jokes now. So, in my last video, someone must have said that the audio quality was a bit lackluster. It wasn't that good. So I decided to get a new microphone. I got a DJI Mic Mini, so hopefully the audio quality is better. Yeah, I've been testing it out for a couple of days and it sounds pretty good. I also decided to use the back camera instead of the front camera, so hopefully the video quality is better as well. While I was on the DJI website, because I bought it directly from there because it was a sale, I saw a camera gimbal and it looked so cool, but it sort of reminded me of a robotic arm, and I've been thinking of a personal project to do, and I'm thinking I might as well just make a robotic arm. But first, for proof of concept, I'm gonna draft it up on CAD software and see what it looks like. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first one I have to do is check whether it's feasible. Let's get to it. What we're gonna do? We're gonna ask ChatGPT. What else? That's all I need to know. Perfect. Okay, so the lighting should be better now because I have a mood light on there and the light behind me. So now that we know that it's feasible, I already knew, to be honest, because obviously I pre-planned this ages ago. Not ages ago, like 3 days ago. Anyway, it's feasible. So now we should be able to start designing this in CAD. Before I start designing it in CAD, I'll probably draft it up on my iPad first. And once I've drafted it on my iPad, I'll implement that into NX, which is what I've learned to use in school. So I'll implement that into NX. I'll probably make a couple of different parts and then just assemble it in one final assembly. Yeah, so let's get into it. So I've drafted up a sketch on my iPad. Let me walk you through it. First, we have the base, which will be geared, and there'll be two layers, a normal circular layer and then the geared layer underneath, which will hopefully provide enough support for the entire arm so that the base will be able to support the arm. There'll probably be a hole in the middle for the base to turn around on. And then on the base, we'll have a connecting bracket for the arms, and then on the connecting bracket there will be bearings and a supporting pin. Because I'll run two plates parallel, I'll have to have bridges in between to provide support to stop the arms or the plates from twisting or snapping. And then after the first arm will be thicker than the second arm to provide support, because the first arm has to support the weight of the second arm and the claw. And the second arm will just be lighter. The claw, initially I was thinking about 2 fishing lines for each section of the claw. So if the claw is like my arm, I will have a fishing line here and here. But if I have, so obviously there'll be 2, but if I have, if I make this geared, I might just have one fishing line here that I'll be able to pull it in, because this will be geared. Yeah. Now that I have drafted a rough sketch on my iPad, I need to think about the scale or the size of the arm before I start 3D modeling it. So here I have a 30 centimeter ruler. I feel like if the claw is in between 35 centimeters, so around here, to 45 centimeters, fully extended, so from the tip of the claw to the bottom of the base, I feel like that's a good scale to begin with. because obviously the arm won't be fully extended, it'll be bent. So I feel it'll end up being around 16 centimeters with the bends included. Yeah, I feel like that's a decent scale. So now that I have a rough sketch on my iPad, I can start 3D modeling it. Let's get into it. Hello, it's a new day. This is the day after I finished modeling the arm in CAD. So I've modeled the majority of the arm in CAD. All I have left to do is the claw part. So I'm probably going to decide, I'm going to do some more research on the claw part and see what would be optimal. And then once I've decided on the claw part, I'll design it in CAD as well. And yeah, so, but I have to go to school first. Do you want to come with me to school? Can I bring you with me to school? Let's see. Fit of the day, classical hat because I couldn't cast the curl in my hair. Essential tracksuit, essential shirt, Cortez 95 UV, Bosh. If you can't tell, it's a couple days later. You didn't get to go all the way with me to school because my phone died, but we live and we learn. Next time I'll charge my phone. I was just going to my computer science class. Obviously, I'm a coder, I'm joking, but I got 100%. Don't clap. So back to the robotic arm. Instead of laser cutting it from wood, I was thinking, why not just 3D print it? That way it'll allow me to make more finer adjustments. It should be cheaper as well, hopefully. But then, instead of having to go all the way to school and then back, whenever I want to print something, I was like, might as well spend a pretty penny. Ladies and gentlemen, drum roll please. I said drum roll. SMH. I got a 3D printer. Oh, it's heavy, it's a heavy boy. This is the Bambu Lab A1 combo. I was thinking of getting the A1 mini, but I might need a larger print bed or more functionality, so I was like, might as well get the A1. So this will allow me to 3D print it at home. I might change the design to be one arm instead of, because you know I had parallel plates, so I might change it to be a single structure instead. Do you get? So yeah, should I redesign it? I'll print it first how I've seen it. If it's not working for me, then I'll redesign it. But yeah, let's do an unboxing. Okay, excuse the angle. Nothing's barely broken. And don't come at me for how I use scissors. Okay, just making sure I didn't get doxed. Oh, my monitor. Everything might just break. If you can't tell, we have limited room. It says scan to watch this unboxing tutorial. Okay, I'm gonna scan it. Yep, cool. Hopefully this is a better angle. I'm recording on my phone, so I'll have to scan it on here. Usually I don't need a tutorial, but I'm like, you know, I might as well. Which one? This is the unboxing A1 and A1 combo. Step 1, unbox and take out A1 AMS light and its accessories. Read the quick start guide. So it's telling me to unbox and read the guide. No, I could have done that myself. Oh, there's tape. This one is serious. Sure. You know what? We're gonna have to cut the box. I hate to do it, but we're gonna have to. Sure. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's coming there. It's coming. This is definitely a 2-person job. Oh my days. This is bloody heavy. Oh, yo. Apologies for the language. Oh, chill. Now I'm out of breath. Oh, that was heavy. Okay, so that's cardboard. This is the quick start guide and this is the printing mat. Oh, chill. Oh, chill. Can you see that? Can you see inside? That's inside, by the way. Oh, chill. Should I increase the ISO? You know, a little bit brighter. Hopefully it's a little bit brighter. Okay, cool. Oh, I love me stickers. I love me some stickers. Oh, I love stickers. Shall I show you how I know? Huh? Shall I show you how you can tell I love stickers? Look at my laptop. Look at my iPad. If my thing wasn't so phone sized, I'd have stickers on that as well. 3 premium models. I'll make them myself, mate. Anyway, here we have the quick start guide. I'll remove that. Back to the online tutorial. Yo, this is heavy, blood. Sure, this is hella heavy. I can't lie. I'm surprised I didn't drop it. That was very heavy, I'm telling you. See, this isn't what the top looked like, unless I opened it upside down, which I didn't think I did. So I'm gonna have to, you know, freestyle here. I'm gonna remove this first. This is the stand for the AMS line, AMS whatever it's called. It's a stand for this, isn't it? This is what it stands for. This is for the filament. The filament rules go here and then it automatically selects the correct one. Now how does it stand? It stands like that, but I'll just put it on my bed for now. Oh, sure. I'm a bit sick. I've been sick. I think I already told you. I've been sick for a while. I'm not gonna say who got me sick, but they know who. I didn't know what this is. And here we have it. here we have it. Okay, cool. Now, what's next? I really should have some clippers or something. I need to remove that. See, it's showing black foam. I didn't get any black foam, even though I got the accessories. So clearly the packaging changed. But, you know, we live. Oh, the way I'm making a mess. Okay, let me remove this. I ordered filaments with it. I ordered a kilogram roll of filament. I'm not seeing it. Oh, chill, this is like... Yo, let me not break it. Yo, this is hefty. This is the top there. But that is hefty. I know some of you are getting a heart attack watching me unbox this. It's not me fault. It's not me fault. I guess I'm gonna have to make these. This is the lines for the filament. Sorry. This is the lines for the filament. And this is sample filament. But I ordered a spool of black filament, which clearly hasn't... I'm saying filament bears. Okay. Obviously, the power cable. Remove this. Underneath it, oh, that's the plugs for the motors and the plugs for the camera. Here we have the little screen. Oh, I'm making a right mess. I'm making a big mess. Where am I going to keep this box? I don't know. There we go. Okay, cool. So now we have taken it out. It should, see, it's saying there's a box with accessories and screws and thingies. It should be. Oh, wait. And perfect. Yeah, see? And yeah, I wasn't going crazy. In the thing that showed the box, but here, it's just a Ziploc bag. Oh, it's getting kind of hot in here. The way it's going to face, it's just going to face like this. Ooh, anyway, it's going to face here. Oh, perfect. Or face like this. Perfect. Anyway. Where's the iPad? I really should put my glasses on. No, I'm not sure I'm making any mistakes. Told me to assemble the printer base. Gosh, heavy, it's a heavy boy. And this goes here, I believe. It should do. So I would lift it up. And if underneath there's slots, so I will slowly bring it down. Yo, nothing better, bro. Perfect. Okay. Unlock the tool head. There's nothing up here. Unlock the Z-axis. This is the Z-axis. Now let's get into it. You know, the video would have sufficed. Man, this is a long ass recording. Sorry, guys. I wish I had. Whoa. Perfect. Don't judge how I use my scissors. done with these. With this. Oh, my phone's getting hot. My phone's getting hot. I promise I do DIY stuff at home. I promise. Oh, flipping heck. The leak is going. I don't want to break it. You get? Why is it so long? Surely there isn't a screw here where you'll need so much torque. Oh. Okay. Just in case it falls. Yo, hasn't fallen out. It didn't fall, guys. Do I just leave it? Oh, okay. See, there's no... I'm assuming it's in this one. Let me stop the video and change the resolution. You guys, guess how much storage it used? That video used a grand total of 10 gigabytes of storage. What do you take me for? Okay, so this is the screw. It says it here for base housing. Thankfully, because all of those are labeled. Okay. In the holes, there's holes highlighted green. Can you see it? No, you can't. Let me bring you in. There's holes highlighted as green here, 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 and that'll connect the base. That'll connect this to this. Do you get? Cool. Let's get into it. Cool. Hopefully I didn't lose any screws. This is why I have complaints. And this is here, that cheesecake. It's not only cheesecake, they have cake as well. It's called Gu, I think. It's called G, but it uses the fancy U. I don't know the name of the U. Oh man, it's a U with 2 dots. Okay, it's in. That's why it's so long. I was wondering. No. Okay. I know you shouldn't do that, but I just wanted to make sure. Down there. Are these pointers on? Oh. The thread isn't the full length of the screw. It's only the tip that's threaded. See? It's only the tip that's threaded. Will it focus? No, I can't be asked. But it's only the tip that's threaded. Do you get? So, like. Put it in there, mate. Make sure everything is correct and proper. Guys, I don't think you understand how happy this makes me. Like, obviously I love making stuff. That's why I chose to do aero. When I said computer science test, I meant computing. We're just coding using MATLAB. That's what we do in that module. And obviously I got 100% in that module. But yeah, I just love making stuff. I love coding. Next step, I need to get an Arduino. Maybe a soldering iron. Would you believe that English is my first language? I wouldn't, but English is my first language. Imagine that. I don't want to strip the threads. Hopefully it's timed far enough. Yeah, we're not going to twine those anymore. This is a long video, isn't it? I'm going to speed this up to 1.5 times whenever I'm not talking. I can confirm, by the way, you should scan it when you get. Don't be an auntie and don't be hard-headed. Scan the bloody QR code. Oh, I should really stop saying that, innit? I don't really count it as a swear word, to be honest, but I don't know. Some people might. Let's keep it PG friendly. Let's keep it PG friendly. Bro, where is my flipping... I don't want to say flipping, but where is my spool of... Okay, maybe it's somewhere. I need to look for it. Throughout all the... Where am I going to keep this box as well? I don't know where I'm going to keep this box. That box is huge. It's huge. Will it fit my wardrobe? It might fit my wardrobe. Or I might remove, because it's stapled in it, I might remove the staples and then, I don't know. Oh, but I'll need the box when I go back home. So how am I going to do that, right? Okay, cool. There's 2 more screws. Oh, perfect. They give you an extra screw, I think, in case you ladies want. No, I'll make sure to check out screws and everything. They really made this easy to do, by the way. Like, it's just following instructions. Basically, like making Legos. Obviously, you know, I love Legos. No, no, get Legos. I might make a YouTube video on it. Just, you know, me building the Legos and talking. Oh, by the way, the project with me and Ellis, it's going well. We've just about finished the Python, and we're about... I've already started the Dart. I was doing the Dart concurrently while he was doing the Python. So when he finishes the Python, then I'll transfer it to Dart. And yeah, it's going well, I think. I feel like it is. It's a very simple app, but it preps us. Ooh, it's my English, Jesus. It preps us for the engineering calculator, because that one, there's going to be graphs, equations. It's going to be very useful. Like that one, even I'll use it. You get, I'm probably using it, doing it for me. But the issue is I have an iPhone, and I don't think we'll be able to transfer it to Swift unless I get enough money to get like a Mac Mini, because that's the cheapest one I can possibly get. Cool. I've installed all the screws. We'll slap this back in, like. Just go. Perfecto. So if we extend it, it should be facing towards me. Okay. Are you sure? It says I have to cover the table with cardboard for protection. Thankfully, they give you enough cardboard for protection. And then we're going to have to flip it on the cardboard. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hopefully I didn't break it. I better not have break it. I need to fart. Is that TMI? Nah, bad TMI. Ooh, my wrist is even hurting, fam. Perfect. Cool. Oh, it even shows you in the diagram. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So there's a cable that's labeled with yellow tape. Yes. Did I get the camera? The one with the yellow tape, it goes in this. Which way around is it? You have to make sure that the pins will align. As you can see, the pins there and the pins there. Just push it in, you hear a click. It should be firm. And the same with this. Make sure not to bend any of the pins. And then finally, this. Fairly easy. Anyway, what I was talking about before, this is a USB-C. It just slots in. You put it in here, push it in, you'll hear a click. Okay? What's next? Place the printer upright. Perfecto. Oh, let's get you back here. Let's get you back here. Oh. Okay. So, I flipped the touch. Oh, wait. Apparently there's a protective film here. There just isn't. This is aluminium. Maybe. Anyway. And finish. I know you're probably thinking, oh, what, get a build? Allow me, I'm new to this. I've never been in this position before. You know, get my shoe here. If I didn't bend up here. Oh wow. Okay, so I assume there's this aligns with that, you know. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh my days, it's magnetic. That's fantastic. Oh, wow, that's cool. That's it's magnetic. Oh, that's perfect, dude. Okay, then we flip this, remove that. Oh, I'm the first one to touch it. Anyway, install the purge wire. So, this is the tool head. Remove it. Ah, this was what we have to remove. Okay, cool. Something goes here. Let us find it. Is this it? I don't see how else you can get this. Oh, you just lift it out. Never mind. I see. I was blind, but now I see. I lift this. Oh, you can't lift it. Anyway, what's going on? I'm confused on how this attaches. I'll be real. Does it attach on this side? I'm confused. Install the purge wire. Oh, it slides on. Gracefully. It slides on. Now, where is it? Where is it? Oh, I found it. Perfect. This isn't as hard as I'm making it seem, by the way. I'm just clearly not the brightest. Yo. What does it do? It says, yes, this is the correct way. You know how I know? I don't know. So we're done with this. We're looking for the one that says for purge wiper. That's just different now. For scraper. For AMS stand. For purge wiper. Oh man, there's only one little screw. No spares. You better not lose this. I better not lose this evil. Perfect. It goes inside. Here. Yo, I ain't losing this, dog. Yo, the amount of editing I'm going to have to do. Oh, the time will take me just to upload this to Drive. It will be ridiculous. Oh, I'm using the wrong Allen key. I'm still doing that. Oh, I was thinking, oh, did this get shorter or something? Clearly not, just using the wrong one. I was also wondering that. Why is it not going in? Hopefully my phone doesn't stop recording. Hopefully my hand's at work now. Did I put these in properly? Okay, I was making sure there was a screw inside there. Is there a screw inside here? Yep, the way I'm over that. Oh yeah, this is good. Whoopsie daisy. Is there respect? Okay, time to assemble this. Let's not do that. Let me behave myself, lad. Okay. Okay. Time for this assembly of this. Nobody had a thing. Rich nail sharp machine. Okay, first we have to remove these. What are they called? Zip ties. We're meant to use wire clippers. Do I have wire clippers? Not wire clippers. What's it called? What are they called? We're meant to use. Yeah, they're called wire clippers, pinchers, something like that. But I don't. So I can't. Oh my days. Am I putting it on that? No, it's upside down. Perfect. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, for AMS stand. Yo, behave. I'll put this one here. They give you 5. Even though it's only 2 on each side, so maybe they did just this first. Yo, this is annoying me. There we go. Just move on to the big one. I wish these Allen keys were like tipped with magnetic material or something. But they're not. So we all live with it. I don't like the noise that was made. But you know what? That don't concern me. Look, this isn't even threaded. I'm just pushing it into plastic. What the hell? So this is just permanently ferrous. That's why the spacing on the threading is so wide. I don't think the gap this is threaded into. I think it is just. Because that's why I was wondering why it's so hard to screw in. I think it's just a plastic body. Yo! I swear I'm not weak. Oh, my shoulders are killing me. The thing that I do for the angles. But the colour is perfectly grey. But because the lighting I'm using is warm, the colour is appearing warmer. Yep, I'm not doing that. I can't be asked. That's just the screw on the Allen key, by the way. It's not the anything breaking. It might be threaded. You got this. Okay, so the green ones go on green, the yellow ones go on yellow. It's not rocket science, to be honest. Okay, so let me remove these zip ties first. Green on. There we go. Okay, green on green. It feels kind of not. Once again, it's not as hard as I'm making it out to be. I'm just slow. To be honest, it wasn't hard at all. There. Okay. I don't know why they organise this for 5 cables when there's only 4, but you know, sometimes in life. I don't know what I was going to say after that, I can't lie. Okay, so do I push it in? Okay, so you push it in, push this in, and then secure. Push it in, then it's secure. Yeah, I should really, you know, reroute that. No one told me it's permanent. Yep, cooked. Yo, let's not break, dog. Yo, let's not break, dog. That's good enough, innit? Get very close, like this.
Okay, so set up. I ordered 1 kilo of black filament, still hasn't come yet. So make it do sample they gave us. We'll start obviously English. We're in Europe. Do this off camera.
Next day after, I managed to connect the 3D printer. I got the hose sizes wrong because there's 2 long hoses and 2 shorter hoses. The long hoses are meant to go into specific numbers and the shorter hoses into the other numbers. I didn't do that, but it still works perfectly fine. I'm probably gonna mount it above the printer, so it really won't make a difference at all. The printer works. I managed to print the benchy, and I got halfway through this spool length indicator, or like, what's it called? A spool amount indicator, filament amount indicator for spools. And yeah, then I ran out of filament. But my 1 kg roll of filament should be coming tomorrow. Hopefully it does. And then we can start the arm. I tried a time-lapse feature for the benchy. The quality isn't so good. I'll probably put it now. Cool, so the next plan of action is to redesign the arm so that it can be hollow and the wiring can go through the arm rather than around the arm, because that's what 3D printing allowed me to do, because I can 3D print in a 3D environment rather than the 2D environment that I'd have to use for the wood cutting. But yeah, that's it for this video. See you in part 2.